Some basic concept of the Workman Compensation Act 1923. First is dependent. Now it is according to section 2 clause 1 clause D. A widow, a minor, means we are going to see who are the dependent person on that workman. So first is a widow, a minor legitimate or adopted son, an unmarried legitimate or adopted daughter, or a widowed mother. If wholly dependent on the earning of the employee at the time of his death, a son or a daughter who has attained the age of 18 years and who is infirm. If wholly or in part dependent on the earning of the employee at the time of his death, a widower, a parent other than a widowed mother. Next is a minor, legitimate, illegitimate son, an unmarried, illegitimate daughter or a daughter, legitimate or illegitimate or adopted if married and a minor, or if widowed and a minor. A minor brother or unmarried sister or a widowed sister if a minor, a widowed daughter in law, a minor child of a predeceased son, a minor child of predeceased daughter, where no parent of the child is alive, or a parental grandparent if no parent of the employee is alive. So here we have seen the person who are dependent on the employee. The question is also asked that who will be receiving the compensation on behalf of the deceased. So these are the all person who will receive the compensation on the behalf of the deceased person. Case is about the Ravuri Kayappa versus Basavi Bhananna. It was held that a remarriage by the widow of a deceased employee does not disentitle her to claim the compensation under the act. She has the right to claim. Means a widow, if she has done the remarriage, then the question is asked that whether she can take the compensation of her before the deceased husband. So yes, she has the right to claim the compensation of her first husband.